I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate, and the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, Attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi po
excuse
siya
me,
po pwede.
no, excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a
Yes, it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko
already
po
answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Chair,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.